If you're getting an error when trying to load a website on Google Chrome saying that the connection is not private, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you the different methods you can use to fix this. You will need to go through each of these solutions to find the one that works for you. So let's jump straight into it and load up Google Chrome. So the first thing we're going to try is loading up the website incognito, which we can do by coming over to these three little dots on the right hand side and selecting New Incognito Window. And then you just need to type in the site URL of the website at the top here and check to see if that's fixed the issue. Next thing we can do is come out of this incognito window and back to the three little dots on the right hand side, and you want to come over to Clear Browsing Data and make sure these three boxes are ticked, and then you just need to press Clear Data. Then we can head out of Google Chrome and you want to come to your taskbar in the bottom right here and right click on the date and select Adjust Time and Date. Then make sure Set Time Zone Automatically is toggled to On and Set Time Automatically is also toggled to On, as sometimes when your computer's clock's messed up, this can interfere with the SSL certificate on Google Chrome. We can then head out of here and you want to come to your Start menu and we're going to search for Control Panel. Tap on the Control Panel icon and make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Then we can come into Internet Options, come over to the Connections tab, come over to the Advanced tab, and you want to scroll down this list until we find the Security section. And you want to uncheck where it says check for publisher's certificate revocation and also check for server certificate revocation. Once we've unchecked these two boxes, then we can press apply and OK. Then come back into Internet Options, and this time we're going to come over to the Security tab and come over to Trusted Sites, and you want to make sure this slider is set to medium. And we can also press this Sites button to come into Trusted Website, and you can type in the URL of the website that you're trying to visit and click Add to add it to the list. The last thing we can do is come over to this Content tab, and underneath Certificates you should see something called Clear SSL State. We just need to press this button and this is going to clear the SSL cache from your computer. We can then head out of these windows and you want to come to your Start menu and search for Control Panel again. Tap on the Control Panel icon and this time make sure View By is set to Category. And you want to come into View Network Status and Tasks. Over on the left here where it says Change Adapter Settings, click on that and you need to find the network that you're currently connected to. For me, it's this internet here. And then we can right click on it and come into Properties. You should from this list see something called Internet Protocol version 4. Select that and come into Properties. And then we want to change at the bottom here where it says Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. And inside of here, we're going to type in the numbers 8888 and then 8844, and we could just press OK to save the changes. Now hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any error messages that you might be getting with Google Chrome. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.